get started.
Okay, these hoses are on with connectors. We do this because during the winter we have to make sure the hoses are disconnected. If you're bathing a dog, turn the hot water on first. Let it run and get hot. Then turn it off and put the connector on. And you can see both the big hose with the hose box and the bath hose have connectors. So what you have to do is push it in firmly, pull the collar up, and it has to click in. This collar needs to actually slip down, so I'll show it again. It slips in, push it firmly, push the collar up, and it clicks in. So this collar has to drop, and there has to be a space there for it to work. Then you come over to the hose, unwrap it, straighten it out, try to get the twists out of it, and turn the cold water on full. And if it drips a little bit, that's okay, but if it's spraying, stop and reconnect it because it will shoot off. It's not connected firmly enough. So a few drips okay, spray not so much. Turn the cold water on, or excuse me, hot water on, about 1.5 to 2 twists. Once you've got it on, run the water until it warms up, and then you can go ahead and bath your dog. There is a leash right down here that you can use, a kennel lead. You can wrap the dog up to the terminal pole, not the gate, but the terminal pole, and then go ahead and bath your dog. Inside the gray shed here, there is a bottle that you can use to mix the shampoo. The shampoo is in the house to the right of that little cabinet in the hall. It's the Argan E3 shampoo, and you mix it about 50% water, 50% shampoo, mix it up real good. You don't need a lot. There is also the scraper, which is good for scraping the water off the dog when you're finished. Make sure you do bring a towel outside, and I generally lay a towel on the crate pad before putting a dog into the crate. When you are done doing the bath, you first roll up the hose while it's turned on. This is to hopefully prevent any more creases in the hose than necessary. And then you strap it back up. You want to strap it back up, A, so it doesn't kink, and B, it's a real tripping hazard around here when you're filling up water buckets. Turn the water off. Release the pressure on the hose. And then, come closer, Jack. You're going to disconnect this collar. Now it is going to spurt some water out, but you push the collar up and pull the hose down and it drains out. It's very important to make sure you unconnect this hose when you're finished, because if it freezes, it will blow this whole thing out. Thank you.